Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Look at Santa, guys. So this is coming from this is, without, I know it sounds hyperbolic, but this is my favorite scan now, probably of all time. This combo scan, the one that we call a normal option activity plus a 10-day daily break. Pepe, one of the traders in our room, put it together. And look at this alert here, Santa, 699, before it pulled back at all. This got up to 915, okay, 914. I didn't get in right at 699, and I didn't get out right at the top. But boy, you capture the middle two-thirds of a move like that, and you're laughing. Sats was another one. Unfortunately, when I click on it, it's probably going to take a while for this to load. 1696, yes. Yeah, when I'm doing a video, guys, it just bogs it right down. Yeah, so 1696 before it pulled back. I didn't get this either, but I took it. I used this like a watch list, okay? So when it got back over 17 again, I was able to I got a little bit out of it. So I use it like a watch list all day long. So if you want this scan, come into the room and I will give it to you.